Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. This is the latest episode in our pizza series. So we've already covered pan pizza, Detroit style pizza, and St. Louis style pizza. We had a couple comments saying, hey, how about if you're sitting on your couch, minding your own damn business, and the pizza fever strikes. You must have pizza. You must have it now. You want it in 5 minutes. Well, this episode is about the 5-minute pizza. We did a bunch of experimenting. We took the method we're going to use, tried it out. We tried taking a French loaf, cutting it in half, putting the pizza sauce and toppings on that. We also tried brioche hot dog buns. Took those buns, rolled them out flat with a rolling pin, put the sauce and the toppings on it. It was pretty good, but it wasn't pretty at all. The method that we decided was the best is what I'm doing for you today. So what I have here is some flatbread. We're going to take our flatbread and we're going to cut it to the size of our air fryer. Now today I'm going to be using the Ninja XL grill, which also has an air crisp feature. It's pretty damn big, so I can make pretty decent sized 5-minute pizzas. Yours is going to depend on the size of your air fryer. So I'm going to cut this off right here, and that size right there is going to work for us. So if you are going to want to make a 5-minute pizza, you're going to have to already have sauce. So whether it's store-bought sauce or you make your own, you're going to have it on hand. If you love pizza, you should always have pizza sauce on hand. And we've done a video on how to make a quick, delicious red pizza sauce right here. And that's what I'm going to make for the first pizza. Got our flatbread, going to sauce it. Push that delicious sauce to the edge. And as all pizza experts know, the next thing that goes on is the cheese. So at first we thought in an air fryer that mozzarella cheese, the shredded, pre-shredded that you get at the store, might go all over the air fryer. In our experiments, we tried it out, and it turns out that it sits there just fine. So don't be afraid to use some pre-shredded cheese, or shred your own. Now your toppings are going to depend on what you have handy. I just browned up some of our homemade Italian sausage, and I'm going to put that on there. Then, of course, you got to hit it with pepperoni. Got my air fryer preheating right now as we finish this up. One more layer of mozzarella. Push that down a little bit. And then hit it with some sort of dry cheese, Parmesan, Romano, whatever. If you watch this channel, you've seen me use this before, what we call our magic cheese. It is a mixture of Parmesan, Romano, Asiago, and Nistra. And voila, you got it. As the oven preheats, we're going to work on our second one. Cut that down to size. So also, if you're a frequent viewer of Galley of the Sun, you know we like the variety. So we're going to make a white pizza with a white garlic sauce. I also have a video on how to make that. There's the link. So we're going to put down our white garlic sauce on our flatbread. Getting that all the way to the edges. And hit that with a little bit of shredded mozzarella. A little bit of Italian sausage. And we'll pause making that to get the first pizza into the air fryer. Okay, pizza's going in. Truth in advertising, it's going to cook for 5 minutes. If your air fryer is whamadine and smart and everything, and at the halfway point tells you to flip your food, don't flip your pizza. That's a horrible idea. Don't do it. All right, so we resume making our white pizza. I got the Italian sausage down. Now, nice little layer of fresh basil. If you haven't cooked with fresh herbs, because it has a damn H in it, you're really missing out. Fresh oregano, unless you're in Wichita, Kansas, because you can't find it there. Fresh basil, fresh thyme, The stuff is just incredible. Sure, you got to get it relatively soon before you use it. You got to use it or it goes bad, unlike that dried stuff you have in your spice rack. But oh my God, it is so good. All right, so we got that done. Now we're going to top that with some fresh mozzarella. I got this because I thought that shredded was going to fly all over the air fryer and we would have to use this. It turns out you don't, but when you do, it's so damn good. Get that into thin slices to put on top. That's also going to anchor down our fresh basil or basil, depending on where you're from. That looks to be plenty. That out of the way. And then, of course, got to hit it with the magic cheese. All right, 5 minutes is up. And that is one gorgeous 5-minute pizza. Get it preheating for the second one. And in with our white pizza. Hey, if you're liking what you're seeing, hit that like button. You want to never miss an episode? You don't want to. Hit that subscribe button. What is your favorite type of pizza? Put that down in the comments. Maybe we'll make it. Like I said before, we've already covered pan pizza, Detroit style pizza, St. Louis style pizza, now the 5-minute pizza. We're planning future episodes on New York style pizza, Chicago style pizza, taco pizza, and Godfather's stuffed pizza. If there's something else you'd like to see, put it down in the comments. We'll give it a try. Oh, ooh, this one's pretty. And our white pizza. All right, let's get these sliced up and give it a try. All right, moment of truth. Let's give it a try. The red. That San Marzano sauce is amazing. You definitely have to try that recipe. All right, take a bite of the white. I'm telling you, if you like garlic, that white sauce is the way to go. Turned out great. Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Until next time, fair winds and following seas.